Hi student, today we will start from the self-ionization of water, the pH scale. Now what is mean by the self-ionization of water molecule? We have already defined also here that the self-ionization is also called as auto-ionization of water. Now it will be defined in a very simple word, the reactions in which two water molecules produce ions. This is known as self-ionization or auto-ionization of water molecule. For example, this is one water molecule and this is another water molecule. This water molecule will give a proton to this one water molecule. So this one water molecule lost a proton which is negatively charged. After losing a proton to this one molecule, it becomes negatively charged and this will become as a positively charged. The positively charged water molecule which gain proton by losing proton by the another molecule to this one molecule, it will form the hydronium ion. And the water molecule which loses a proton in this reaction, so it will become negatively charged and is known as the hydroxyl ion. The water molecule which gain the proton from this one molecule, it will become positively charged and is named as the hydronium ion. As you know that water is highly polar. You know that water is highly polar, and the collision between these two water molecules will occur the transfer of the proton from one molecule to the another molecule. So collision between water molecules are energetic enough to transfer a proton from one molecule to other molecule, from one molecule to other molecule. So after a collision, the transfer of proton from one molecule to another molecule will occur, which will produce as a result the hydronium ion and the hydroxyl ion. So this reaction will be written as H3O plus hydronium ion and the hydroxyl ion. So this is all about the self and auto-ionization definition and explanation. Now we will come further that the water molecule which ionizes, it will be in the form of H plus and OH minus. If there is single water molecule, it will be ionized to a proton in a hydroxyl group. Now as you know that this one, the concentration of H plus ion is just equal to the concentration of OH minus ion. It means that for every H plus molecule there will be just one OH molecule. For every one H plus molecule there will be one OH minus molecule, which will be on the basis of their concentration, which will be equal in number. So it will be equal numerically to 1 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 7 mole. Now the equilibrium expression for this one will be Kc. And you know this is the product of the reaction and this is the reactant. So the product will always be written in numerator and this will be written in the denominator. This will be written in the denominator. As water is weak electrolyte, so concentration of H2 will remain constant. Concentration of H2 will remain constant. So this Kc will be multiplied with this one. After cross multiplication, it will become as Kc H2O is equal to, and this will be, this whole term, numerator term, will be multiplied with 1 to become this one. So then this one will be equal to Kw, which is equal, this will be at their own place. So further Kw will be equal to Kc H2O. Ionization this is the ionization constant for water molecule. It is also called as the ion product for H2O. So Kw will be equal to, this is per water molecule, complete water molecule, For example, if we say that this is for H plus, so this will be for OH minus. So when this one is multiplied, it will become as 1 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 14 at 20 particles. In the concentration of H plus and OH minus ions are equal. So as we know that when this one equal, it will become numerically to this value at 25 degrees centigrade. If you have any question regarding this one topic, you can ask in the comment box. Thank you.